welcome back to my channel, Talk to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about future continuous tense. Future continuous tense is used to talk about action that will be happening in future, a specific time at future. Okay, so she's giving me the base structure and affirmative examples of future continuous tense.
Okay, so let's start. I give her a structure and example of future continuous tense. Subject plus will be plus verb plus ing plus object. This is the structure of future continuous tense. I give a 2 to 3 example of future continuous tense. I will be studying in night. She will be cooking food in evening. They will be playing cricket in evening time. And she will be going outside in tomorrow.
She will be reading a book, they will be playing a cricket, lots of examples. Okay, so are you able to make a negative sentence of future continuous tense?
Yes, I will not going to playing cricket.
She won't be reading, she will not be reading. We can use won't also. And when it comes to a structure, subject plus will not plus won't plus be plus verb plus ing. This is the format of negative sentence. Okay, and we mostly people use will, not want, but want is a fancy. So yeah, great. Okay, are you able to make an interrogative sentence?
Yes, I am able to make an interrogative sentence and structures also.
Okay, so tell me the base form and structure of interrogative sentence.
Okay, so let's start. Will be cooking food in night.
First, tell me a structure.
First, I tell a structure. Will be plus subject plus verb plus ing. This is the structure of interrogative future continuous tense.
Okay, so I'm giving the example. Will you be joining the meeting tomorrow? Will they be traveling tomorrow? Are you be able to joining the party tonight? This is a structure of interrogative sentence in future continuous tense. And yeah, in this video we are making lots of mistake. Don't judge people, we are learner. And in tense we have a huge chapter, a lot of things we have to cover, but still we are afraid when it comes to speaking in front of camera. We know everything, but still we have a fear of judgment. But don't do this thing. I'm not afraid anymore to speak in front of camera or people. So bye bye, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.